Today is November 1st, 2018. Yes, indeed, I'm happy. Birthday right round the corner, right round the corner. I am Jake, Locksmith, Services.Jacksonville, Florida, making this video 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm asking all the people, please subscribe to my videos. Like my videos, comment on my videos, and I will keep them coming. I'm gonna do all I can do to keep them coming. Try to make good laugh videos so you can laugh, be happy. Yes, indeed. Jake Locksmith, Service, Jacksonville, Florida. November 1st, 2018. I'm getting ready to go back out of town and do some work, so I'm gonna be gone for a minute. I don't know when I'm coming back, so I'm making this video the 1st of November, 2018. Got to climb and get my legs right, you know. Got to get everything right. Yes, indeed. There go the time right there. It's done passed on by just that fast. That's what time do. That's what it do. It pass right on by. Getting ready to roll out. I gotta roll out. Whew. Yeah, got that handyman business, you know. I have to go do that stuff too, you know. Like my videos, comment on my videos, subscribe to my video, Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida, November 1st, 2018. Getting ready to go back out of town, make some money.